test drive the 2013 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires front all season, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.